Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving deep into one of the most important aspects of weight loss, customizing your diet plan. If you've tried multiple diets and none seem to stick, this video is for you. I'm going to share tips and tricks to help you create a personalized diet plan that fits your lifestyle, tastes, and goals. Let's get started. 1. Understand your body's needs. The first step in customizing your diet is understanding your body's unique needs. Everyone's metabolism, activity level, and nutritional requirements are different. Start by determining your daily caloric needs based on your age, gender, weight, height, and activity level. You can use online calculators or consult a nutritionist to get a clear picture. This baseline will help you figure out how many calories you should consume to lose weight healthily. 2. Choose the right macronutrient balance. Next, focus on your macronutrient balance, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Depending on your body type and goals, you might need more or less of a particular macronutrient. For instance, if you're more active, you might benefit from a higher protein intake to support muscle recovery and growth. If you're insulin resistant, a lower carb diet might work better for you. Experiment with different ratios until you find what makes you feel energized and satisfied. 3. Incorporate foods you love. One of the biggest mistakes people make when starting a diet is cutting out all their favorite foods. The key to a sustainable diet plan is to incorporate foods you love in moderation. If you enjoy pasta, don't eliminate it, just control the portion size and balance it with a side of vegetables and a lean protein. This approach helps you stick to your plan long term without feeling deprived. 4. Focus on whole foods. Building your diet around whole, unprocessed foods is essential. These foods are naturally lower in calories and packed with nutrients that support weight loss and overall health. Focus on vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. Processed foods often contain added sugars, unhealthy fats, and empty calories that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. By eating whole foods, you'll naturally consume fewer calories while feeling fuller longer. 5. Plan your meals and snacks. Meal planning is a crucial part of customizing your diet plan. Planning your meals and snacks ahead of time helps you avoid unhealthy choices and overeating. Start by mapping out your meals for the week, including breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Prepare as much as you can in advance to make healthy eating convenient. When you have nutritious meals ready to go, you're less likely to reach for something unhealthy when hunger strikes. 6. Adjust portion sizes. Even with healthy foods, portion control is key. Customize your portion sizes based on your goals and activity level. For example, if you're more active, you might need larger portions to fuel your workouts. Use smaller plates, measure your servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Eating slowly and stopping when you're satisfied, not stuffed, will help you control your portions naturally. 7. Be flexible and listen to your body. Your diet plan should be flexible enough to adapt to your body's changing needs. Some days you might feel hungrier, especially after intense workouts, and that's okay. Listen to your body and eat when you're genuinely hungry. If you feel satisfied with less on other days, don't force yourself to eat more. Your body knows what it needs. Pay attention to its signals and adjust your intake accordingly. 8. Stay consistent, not perfect. Remember, consistency is more important than perfection. It's normal to have days where you indulge a little more or skip a workout. What matters is getting back on track the next day. The best diet plan is one you can stick to for the long term, so don't be too hard on yourself. Focus on making healthy choices most of the time, and the results will follow. Conclusion. So there you have it, tips and tricks for customizing a diet plan that works for you. By understanding your body's needs, balancing your macronutrients, incorporating foods you love, focusing on whole foods, planning your meals, controlling portions, staying flexible, and being consistent, you can create a plan that's both effective and sustainable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more weight loss tips and healthy living advice. Let me know in the comments which of these tips you're going to implement in your diet plan, and I'll see you in the next video.